Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the speed up tricks on the REALME 14 Pro. Okay, so let's begin. First we can go into the settings, scroll down a little bit and into the battery. In here we select the GT mode, simply click, and here we can enable this mode. Okay, now we are in the GT mode. As you can see, super beat performance, high frame rate and high resolution, but also please remember that this will affect on your battery consumption, and also the phone will be heating up much more than in normal mode. So if you want to speed up your phone, you can enable it, but I suggest you do this from time to time because overheating your phone is not the best option in a big period of time. So that's the first option. Now we can go into My Files and click on this button in the down right corner. As you can see, I don't have junk files because I just cleaned them before, but you will have a button that says clean. Simply click on it and you will get some free space. Okay, also if you don't use some of the apps, you can simply uninstall them. To uninstall an app, simply hold on the icon and click on the uninstall button. Okay, now let's go to the background process. To see the background apps, simply make this move just like I did, and here you can get rid of the apps that you are not currently using. Okay, also we can go to the settings again, scroll down into the system and updates. Click on the software update. As you can see, checking for updates. My version is currently up to date, so I don't need to uninstall the latest version, but if you have to, simply click on install and it will also speed up your phone a little bit. Also, you can perform restart from time to time. To do this, simply hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And now to restart the phone, simply drag this circle to the upside and the phone will be automatically turned off and then automatically turned on back again in a while. Okay, now we can go into again to the settings, about device, into the version, and now we want to tap on the version number a few times. As you can see, it says no need, you're already a developer. Okay, and now go to the system and updates, developer options. Actually, I'm gonna disable this. The phone needs to restart right now, and I'll show you the whole process how to enable the developer mode. So now the phone needs to restart, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, the phone has restarted. So now simply draw a button. Now let's go into the settings. Again, scroll down into about device. Scroll down into the version and now tap on the version number. Just like this. Now draw your pattern. As you can see, you are now a developer. So we can go back into System and Updates, Developer Options, and now let's scroll a little bit. Until we find the animated duration scale, transition animation scale, and the window animation scale. So to increase the speed, you can select them on 0.5x or turn them off. So it is up to you. I'm gonna show you how to do this. Simply click on animation off or 0.5x. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.